we have the True Form runners here on site at Mohegan Sun. Me and Don are here. We're going to do 30 bear crawls.
Right here.
We're going to do 30 bear crawls on these things and so just see what happens.
Absolutely.
All right.
Okay, let's do it.
All right. We've made a couple million people do these already, so we might as well do it.
Boom.
All right, let's go. Got to push with your feet.
You got to make the sound of the bear.
I think that's 30. All right, that's 30. That's 30.
Nice.
All right. Woo! Spartan 30. Find somebody to do it with, guys. Hashtag Spartan 30. Spartan Race.
Hey, it's always better to make the sound of the bear.
Hashtag on Instagram and Facebook, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Aroo.